Having a good understanding of our customers is essential if we are to effectively develop, market, and sell our products and services. This can be achieved by first seeking to understand how our ideal customers view their environment before trying to understand their experience with us. The Customer Empathy Map was developed by XPLANE and is a really useful way to define our ideal customer. It can also be used during creative sessions to identify how much we actually know about our customers, identifying areas of further research. At the same time, it can draw out what we know or assume about the people that we sell to. The tool is an excellent starting point in creating a customer profile, helping us to develop meaningful value propositions and effective channels of communication that will be most effective in developing the customer relationship that we need. The Customer Empathy Map allows us to empathize with our customers by considering the following aspects. How do they think and feel? What is really important to them? What might be their aspirations? What do they see? What do their friends have? What is their environment? And what marketing messages are they exposed to? What does their previous experience with us look like? What do they hear? Who is influencing them? What media are they listening to? And what do their family, friends, colleagues, or boss say? How do they act in public? What do they say? What is their appearance like, and are they influencing others? Next, we consider their pains and potential gains. What are their fears, problems, challenges, or the frustrations that they have? What obstacles might be getting in their way? What is it that they want to achieve? How do they measure success? And what do they aspire to? What might they be doing to achieve their goals? To use the Customer Empathy Map, first list your customer segments. Each segment should have a need that requires a distinct offer, different distribution channel, or alternative customer relationship. Select the one that you want to focus on. Next, give your customer a name and define their demographic status. List key characteristics such as their age, marital status, number of children, job type, and income. Using a whiteboard or sheet of flip chart paper, draw your customer empathy map, placing their key demographic characteristics in the center circle. Then build your profile of the ideal customer for your chosen segment by exploring each of the areas in the map and answering the questions that we outlined earlier. Put your responses on post-it notes and stick them to the map. The technique works best when you get input from a group of colleagues who ideally work in various parts of the business, each with different touch points in the customer experience. By collecting and collating the inputs from a range of individuals, we start to develop a rounded and balanced view of what our ideal customer looks like, one that goes beyond just the demographic characteristics and that helps us to better understand their environment, their behavior, their concerns, and their aspirations. However, if you do not have a team, you can also get good results by working through the technique on your own, and then testing some of your assumptions through conversations with one or two of your best customers. Ultimately, the Customer Empathy Map allows us to get a much better understanding of our customer and how we engage with them. It allows us to generate insights into potential needs that the customer might have that we are not currently serving, and it will allow us to identify where they are likely to see value in our product offerings. If you liked this video, then let us know by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, or subscribing to our channel.